Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 5 whole and parts decimal. What do you mean decimal? Decimal is a special fraction with 10, denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Now we have to read the decimal. First, there is two part. First, the point left hand side is the whole number part, then right hand side is decimal part. How to read the number? First you read the point left hand side. The whole number part we read together. The decimal part we read one by one, that is 376.567. Again 376.567. Then we go to in the decimal part left to right. After the decimal part, the left to right, the value of the number is smaller. The value of the number is smaller. In left hand side of the decimal part, right to left, the value of the number is increase. Here, what is the place value of? Place value of 376.567. What is the place value? First we draw the place value chart. Place value chart. First we draw first here decimal, then 1 by 10, 1 by 100, that is 10th place, 10th, here 100th, 1000th, here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Here 1 by 1000th, here 1 by 100th, here 1 by 10, here decimal, here 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is the place value chart of decimal. Then how to write in words? Write in words. Here 7345.008. You read, first you read the number, the point left hand side of the point you read together. This is the whole number part. This is decimal part. First you read 7345.008. 7000 300 345 point or decimal, you write point or decimal, 0.008. Understand it? Now, one more example. 4127.345. Right? 4000. You read this number together. 4127 decimal 345. 4000 4127 decimal 345. First number we write point. Here we write decimal. Understand you? How to read this number? 0.378. Understand? 0.378. Now, expanded form of decimal numbers. Expanded form. There are two method way in expanded form. First, fraction way. Second, decimal way. First, fraction way. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. First question. Our number 735.785. First we fraction form. First fraction form. Here first we ones, tens, hundred. Here tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Now 700 plus 30 plus 5 plus. Now we start the decimal part. Which place is 7 sit? 7 by 10 plus 8 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Now decimal form. The whole number part is same. The whole number part is same. 700 plus 30 plus 5 plus. Now we start the decimal. 0.7 plus 0.08 plus 0.005. Understand you? One more question. 48.007. How to expanded this number? First, fraction form. First we fraction form. Yes, we start with 40 plus 8 plus. Now, the 10th place is here 0. We don't write 0, 0 by 10. Then next the 100 place also 0, you don't write. Next place 7, 1000 place 7 by which place 7 sit? 1000th place. Understand? Now decimal form. here this whole number part is same, 40 plus 8 plus, now the decimal part here 10th place is 0, then 100 place is also 0, then 1000 place is 0.007. Understand, this is the expanded form. Now, what is the place value of? Write the place value of underlined digit. Write the place value of underlined digit. Look here, 9430.932. I underline is 3. Then here also I underline 4. Now, what is the first you? Look here, 9430, this is our whole number part. Here 0.932. Then first we write the place value of 4. The place value of of 4. Which place the 4 sit? Ones, tens, 100. Which place 4 sit? 400 is equal to 4 into 100 is equal to 400. Then, now we the place value of 3. The place value of 3. 3 sit in decimal part. Now we write the place value of 3 is 3 multiply, which place 3 sit? 10th 100, there is no ones place here. 10th 100, 1 by 100 is equal to 3 1 ja 3, then 100. 300. Understand you? What is the place value of this 3? 300. Now, one more example. Zero 0.542. What is the place value of 5? What is the place value of 5? The place value of 5 is, which part the 5 sit? In decimal part, that is which? 10th place. 5 multiply 1 by 10. Understand you? Yes, 5 1 ja 5, then 10. Understand? I give some homework for you. You do this. First, write in words. How to read? Read then this number 145.307. Now you read 2750 0.005. Now read this, 0.124. The next question, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. First you write fraction form. Second, decimal form. Okay, first question, 9345.567. Then second, 48.034. Then third, this both question you do in your CW notebook. Okay, thank you.